Hello guys, this is Vipul, currently working as equity research intern at inSAKE Solution, and I am from Indore. I am very happy to be part of this internship because I am learning a lot and implementing what I am learning every day. Today I am making this video on the topic the art of pitching stocks in equity research. Pitching stocks in equity research require a combination of analytical skills, effective communication, and a deep understanding of the financial markets. The analysts have to conduct comprehensive research on the company and industry he is analyzing. Now he has to develop a clear and concise investment thesis, state his rationale for why the stock is attractive or undervalued. The analyst must utilize various valuation techniques to assess the stock's intrinsic value. Common methods include discounted cash flow analysis, relative valuation, and sum of the part analysis. Also, he has to identify specific catalysts that could positively influence the stock, such as new product launches, favorable regulatory changes, or expanding market opportunities, and back up his thesis with relevant data, statistics, and evidence. Now the analyst has to present his stock's pitch in a clear, concise, and engaging manner. Use simple language, avoid jargon, and explain complex concepts in a straightforward manner. Structure his presentation logically with a compelling introduction, key points, and a concise conclusion. Thank you.